Katie, close to 200 teams were supposed to be in Greensboro, so think that means hundreds of people staying at hotels, eating out, and spending their money locally. NC Fusion says the money that they have lost due to COVID-19 adds up to more than what more people would make in their lifetime. COVID-19 pushing nonprofits in the Triad over the brink.
It's pretty significant, and it's very significant.
Between a lack of participation and canceled events, the executive director of North Carolina Fusion Soccer estimates the organization is down $1.5 to $2.5 million.
It certainly has limited our opportunity to do some of the things that we want to be able to do with our organization and our impact that we're having on kids.
Scott Wollaston says players were finally allowed back on the field in June under strict guidelines.
I also recognize that the trends are changing and headed the other way, and we want to do our part to make sure that people are safe.
The group was prepared to host the U.S. Youth Soccer National League Showcase Series and playoff games at Bryant Park this weekend. But the National League decided to postpone the event, it says, with the health of the soccer community in mind, as a growing number of teams were forced to pull out due to cases within their own clubs.
Anytime we have a large event with players and teams coming from outside of the areas can be transformational in millions of dollars of economic impact.
Lost dollars and lost opportunities. Scott's biggest concern is that rising COVID-19 cases will jeopardize the immediate future of youth sports.
I don't know that everyone's going to make it through this time, and I think it's really important that if people understand how valuable youth sports should be, now's a really great time to step up and help these nonprofit organizations get through this tough time so that our younger kids have these opportunities in the future.
Okay, so NC Fusion is really hoping to reschedule this event, keep it at Bryant Park, hopefully have it at the end of March or beginning of April. He says they have another 4 or 5 major events in the spring, and he used the word traumatic if they were potentially to lose all of those as well. Katie and Neil, back to you.